Hello and welcome to today's toolbar tutorial on how to use spell check. I'm MLR and I'll be your navigator today. For this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to use spell check step by step. Once I'm done with the tutorial, you will be prepared to practice on your own. Let's review some computer literacy terms that you need to know to better understand this assignment. So, the toolbar, also called the bar or standard toolbar, is a row of boxes, often at the top of an application window, that control various functions of the software. Notice we have a small picture of a toolbar here, and if we click on the text, we have all these options that pop up that we can actually use, all these functions, including what's hidden in the ellipses. Let's move on to the second term. A spell checker autocorrects the word or allows the user to select from potential corrections of the misspelled word. And that's the skill we'll be using today. Let's practice. Directions. Read the story about Johnny the Traveler and be ready to pause to practice using the spell check function. Step number 1. Do you see the red squiggly line underneath the word traveler in the green text box? The red line means that the underlined word is misspelled. Johnny is a traveler. He's from Berlin. Traveler, red line underneath it. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2. Select the word traveler in the green text box by tapping the bottom left corner of your trackpad twice. Do you see the blue shading that pops up behind the word? This means that you have selected the word only and not the entire sentence. So let's hover over traveler, double tap it twice, and we see the blue shading that pops up. Let's move on to step number 3. We're going to tap the word traveler in the green text box and then press and hold down the Alt key. Next, tap your trackpad. Do you notice the menu that pops up? Let's try it. So I'm going to tap the word traveler. Then I'm going to find the Alt key, which is right next to the space bar on the left and right side. I'm going to press that and hold it down and then tap my trackpad. Notice that the menu pops up. If the menu doesn't pop up, make sure that you tap the word traveler first before you press and hold down the Alt key. Let's go on and move on to step number 4. Step 4, tap the word traveler in the green text box again, and then press and hold down the Alt key. Next, tap your trackpad. This time, move your mouse to the correct spelling of the word from the menu that pops up and tap it. I selected the word traveler. I know that because we have that blinking line that lets me know I'm there. I'm going to hold down the Alt key, tap my trackpad again, and I'm going to go all the way up to the word traveler here and tap it. Helpful hint, the correct spelling of the word is at the top of the menu underneath did you mean. So let's try that again. I'm going to go to my undo button, click on that. I'm going to go here. Notice that the blinking line lets me know I'm there. Hold down Alt, tap my trackpad, and once again, I go all the way up to did you mean, and I meant traveler. So I click on traveler. Let's go ahead and continue. Now I'm going to guide you through the first part of your independent practice. Are you ready to practice? You're going to change all of the misspelled words in the rest of the story using the spell check function. So let's go here. Johnny is a traveler. He's from Berlin. Johnny was rushing to the train station, but unfortunately, he missed his train. The word unfortunately is misspelled, so I'm going to tap it once. Notice that the blinking line lets me know that I'm on the word. I'm going to hold down my Alt key, tap it again, and notice that the option to change it to unfortunately pops up. At this point, I am going to allow you to finish this practice on your own. Thanks for listening, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.